until the bus gets crowded. I'm gonna be separated from my mom. My mom lost her way. She's a little stupid. That took a full hour ago. It's raining. I got pissed off because she was refusing to leave. I was begging her to leave and she was still not leaving. And now it's raining. I was literally telling her it was gonna rain. Look at it, it's raining now. Oh, so annoying. Being in the middle. I don't like being in the back because it's loud, and I don't like being in the front because
when I go to school, the funny thing is when I go to school,
it's her fault for sitting there. We sat here first. Social distance from me and now she wants her phone back.
Elastic, you know that it is
the way we both don't know the name. Okay, so I go in the rain. It's raining and I got mad at my mom because I told her it's gonna rain. I was literally like, Mom, it's gonna rain. She's like, it's not raining. I was like, Mom, it's raining. It's literally raining for these flats, okay? It's gonna rain here too soon. She was like, no. The girl, I'm telling you, it's gonna rain. You could get up and go because I don't want to get wet in the rain. I don't care about Aya, okay? I care about myself. I wanted Aya. I don't care about myself, eh? I don't care about Aya. I care about myself, okay? I didn't want to get wet in the rain. My hair looked so good today. Like I really have like even on the elevator my hair was like, and then I go out and I go in the rain and my makeup also got ruined because I got soaked in the rain. My makeup was all skidding today. Like
I don't have hair that gets wet. I'm thinking about that.
For some reason I'm not. Like my hands feel wet. I was like, I'm running out of charge. I have to go home as soon as possible because I'm running out of charge, you know?
She kidnapped me.
Yeah. Look at this weather. We're going out on a weather like this. I wonder if now can come. What if you're trapped at home the whole day? What happens to all our plans? We were supposed to go out and buy stuff.
See, I'm not going to go shopping.
Oh yeah. I wanted to go shopping with Papa. Where did the nail polish go? I ate it. Now I wanted to shop with like that has little money, you know, like, but I can't.
The room he has, you know, in his study.
Yeah.
That room, that tunnel, that posterior.
Didn't the daughter find that?
Huh?
Didn't the daughter find that?
No. The
this one, bro. Look at the weather. It's literally about to rain.
This place is out of the crackle. It had a prime
Korea, it's so ugly now. We're almost home. It's time to get off.
Why is so reactive to stuff?
Yeah, she's always reacting. Oh, it's done. Notifications whenever she reacts. Look at this beach erosion. It was way worse this morning. It's better now.
I also thought she was not going.
Kiriana Johnny. And then mama. There's a lot of people lined up to go. Why are we walking in the water? Mama is this stuff making us walk in the water. Kommer sky erosion? I don't know. Eh? I don't know. I accessorized my ears.
Like a Barbie doll. Like a bird.
There's only two here. Is that
Yeah, there's two there too. Do I put more there? I want to put more. I want to put this one.
it? Okay, put it. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna leave. Tell now how we're gonna leave.
Now, where is the umbrella?
She said
her mom took it.
So no umbrella, we're just gonna run on this. It's so, cause it's Hawaii. It's so crowded. There's traffic. We're going to Nahua now. Mama went to sleep. I went inside, she was already drop dead. A car!
A car on a wheel. It's so tiny. It's a baby. Marcella, that's ants there.
Oh, Marcella,
there's a mother.
There was a mother. Okay, we're going to Nahua then.
The mother looked at us like, why am I
I think I stepped on water.
Yeah, I gotta be careful.
What am I doing? I'm still recording too, oh my god.
She said, okay, I go farm.
Kommer from... We're waiting for Nahua.
Gee, did she secretly eat candy?
I think she did. We're going in the hot cannonball. Shelly yang ada aja.
Oh no, there's someone behind.
What's taking her so long? There's someone inside. What's taking her so long? Someone's getting their order. I think that's why she's taking so long, because there's someone there. She knows everyone in the building type shit. She made it! Oops. We gotta run away.
I'm ready.
I think it's someone she knows. Who knows? Someone just popped out behind her, and so I made a run for it. What are you looking at?
46.77.
Our reflections apparently. It's not showing up. She's licking it because she doesn't have a spoon. Yeah. Finger. Đó.
Butterfly pea.
This was in my drink. And this is also what is in Yuha's tea.
Butterfly.
You guys are eating butterflies?
Yeah.
Why was a butterfly drink?
Yeah.
Like actual butterflies?
We extracted Yuha drinks, so she's animal cruelty. Come on. No. Happy. I think on this.
One, two. What's this? What is this?
How they expensive. It's a mushroom. How expensive it is. There's AC here. I can see them on the CCTV.
You know everything. You say it. Car office, right? With the car got smelly one.
Yeah.
Something touched my feet.
Your ghost.
Something touched my feet and really.
Someone pissed you.
Hold this. Somebody hold this.
Girl, something's leaking. Ah, it's on your clothes. It's from that.
Be careful.
Whose one is that? The lollipop.
You go outside. We'll pay and come. I take this. Go outside. It started leaking. Let's go. Let's pay. Thank God it didn't get on me. See how it was upside down. Dang. Should I get a new bottle?
It's okay, we buy it anyway.
It's my bottle.
Yeah.
Take a new one.
Wash it.
True. It's pink. It's purple. It's blue.
It's sticky now.
Dang, ayah kurangan tentu.
That might have been my one that they do.
Yeah.
I emptied it. Maybe just not it.
Mine is pink, so it's not mine.
It's raining.
Yes.
Where did the bag go?
Where did you put it?
I threw it away.
Where? Where did you throw it? Okay, we can't go out
At least I'm sticky.
because it's raining.
I washed myself. Wow.
We ate ice cream here.
We ran to Seagull. I still go there, but it's not that bad. And as you can see,
I want. Look at the menu.
it's raining right now. Yeah, I'm gonna look at the menu after this damn thing focuses. As you can see, it's raining.
I got this so much like wine to try something else.
They know you?
For some reason,
Let me see, which one?
Vanilla chocolate chips.
Which one? Vanilla chocolate chips. Is there a picture? There's no picture. Okay, we're gonna open the menu now.
What do you mean we already opened it?
No,
No, for a vlog.
this is the ice cream menu. This is the food and drinks menu. Can everybody move, please? Everybody needs to move.
This loading menu. I already went through this one. And I'm gonna go through this one.
Welcome to Seagull Cafe House. Your oasis away from the city. I'm just gonna spend forever looking at everything.
Same, but I want to like. It looks big.
I got a cookie with my hot chocolate.
Then there's mint thingy. There's a big lemon.
We're sharing, yeah? Then no. I don't think I like either raspberries, lemons, or mints. A mixture of my worst enemies in one.
You know, the guy that was serving us asked me if I ordered this. He said I need a
This is your drink. That is your drink. These are your drinks.
Like, should I have told him I have this? I have
They might have thought you're bullying you.
Wait, they might just think you guys are excluding.
Oh.
Yeah, we got two like food things and two drink things.
You're not here.
What a creepy here.
Yesterday also there was TikToks about the practice. Parade practice. You can hear the noises.
Granola line's cool, so.
Yeah. I didn't record when we got the food, but we had the cake. I didn't really eat because I'm really full. We didn't get the twisted fries. That was really, 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 really sad. There's the bill. Show us the bill now. Look at that. Show it to me, Rachel. Where is it? There it is.
Let's start wrapping it.
There's some lights. Whose police lights are those?
Optimal.
Upstairs. When are we playing PUBG, guys? When? Exactly when?
Today?
Definitely not today. So yeah. We're done now. It's not raining anymore. Yay, she's learning how manners type shit.
I've always known how to say thank you, but then
It's just a timing.
It's timing, it's great.
I like panic. I'm like,
Do I say?
I stop in my tracks like.
What do I pick out of my little...
I'm just hoping people understand. I always like panic and then I just stand like a statue and like the thing is, wouldn't most people understand that? Wouldn't most people understand you're just shy? Except
I mean, I tried it. It was like okay.
Yeah, he was like, okay, pretty lady is shy. And he gave the...
God forbid someone doesn't.
One of them recognized me for some reason.
Because she's a regular there.
The shop below my tower, like they closed at 11, okay? And I went there at like 10:55, and then they were like closed the shop, right? And then the guy, he's like para, he's like young, okay? He was in there, he was like crazy, like something, and I was like standing there because after 11, it's like a automatic door anymore. When I just stared at him like this, I was like, yeah, I had the money, and I was staring at him, and then he was like. And then I opened the menu and I went inside and paid my
she's on. She's tripping, guys.
Let it start.
I'm scared of her. I don't want to go home with her. She scares me. She's gonna start jumping me as soon as I get home and start scaring the shit out of me. I swear, didn't you just eat your dinner?
I want to eat it.
That's why. Where are we going right now? We're dropping off Lala. We don't know where Yuha is. We're hoping that she is watching the series because if she's not, I'm coming with my fucking katiwali, bro.
I touched my back. You don't look up.
How am I will katiwali sabra? She better watch out. I will throw hands, bro. I'm ready to battle. With her dirt. Apa this behavior? Apa this behavior? I swear to God. Bye.
Bye.
We should also cross the road.
No hugs.
We have reached Nahwa's home. Still here, damn it. It's crowded. Damn, just go.
Okay, no hugs. Okay, bye.
No hugs. Bye bye. Why you push her?
Why she didn't give me a hug?
Bye bye. Bye.
There she goes. Let's go. What the fuck?
They're gonna go anywhere out. I'm making a really slow walk home because my kidney is dying little by little. Like the pain is getting worse and worse. I can't even stand now. We hopped into Weeby before we went home. We checked it out. I don't know why we checked it out. We just went in for the plot and then came out and now we're going home. I just need to lay down. It's fine as long as I lay down. If I just lay down, I'm fine. What the hell is water?
We're gonna go home and chill.
Yeah. We dropped now off. Now we're going home. We're almost home. We're walking extremely slow, as you can see. This is the stuff we bought: nail polish remover, food, and hairspray. Yippee! Wawa spoiled us.
I also got a nail polish remover.
Yeah. We paid half. I'm gonna paint Aya's nails when we get home. Aya! Why did you look at me like that when I said that? I don't think she wants her nails painted.
No, I heard you say it. I was like, I'm gonna paint my eyes. Nail polish shit? What color?
What color do you want?
I want a darker color. I experienced light color.
What kind of dark color?
Like reddish, brownish.
Reddish brownish. I have purplish reddish. Not reddish brownish.
I'm gonna go for purple.
Then we'll put my color so we can match.
You wearing it? Like I saw it, but yeah, I remember.
Now let's put the one we bought together. You know? The sparkly one we bought in hulhumale. I haven't used that one yet.
Oh, the one you bought?
Yeah, we can use that one.
Have you bought it?
But I think you'll remove it by the time we hang out next.
No! I don't know what happened. Nick and I ate it.
Girl, that's crazy. We're chilling at home right now. I washed my face, removed my makeup, removed some of my jewelry, and now we are waiting. They're texting a lot in the group. Now we are. I'm making my vlog. Now we're gonna do eyes, nails. She's been cutting it this whole time while I removed my makeup. So yeah.
I fixed my necromancy nails.
She did.
And she fixed my this nail.
Okay, we moved inside. And now we're gonna do eyes, nails. Yippee.
You can clip in the There's a phobia for chewing loudly.
Yeah, we ate.
Do you have it?
Yeah, we ate candy.
Do you
And
have
then-
it?
Show
Do you have it?
Yeah. Show me. Show your nails. And then colored Aya's nails. It's kind of
Don't show this hand because you did a bad job.
Oh. Anyways, we did the nails. Now we're
It
just
died.
chilling. Yeah, the camera died in the middle of our time lapse. End the vlog here. Aya's gonna go home soon. Sometime
I'm gonna
soon.
go now. So sweet. Mohor finished. You know when I was a kid, Mohor fed paya.
Yeah, I know that story.
You know that story?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you.
Anyways, Aya's gonna go home. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Took a really, really long time. It was like 8 hours.
You cooked your hangie. Your big ass hangie.
I did, but you didn't stay long enough. You didn't stay till 9.
What's the clock? What's the clock?
It's only 8:30. You're supposed to stay till 9:30.
Baarawe jake kuran. Kegentanata.
Yeah.
Anga!
Kendara.
Bukan dah mana tiada kaku tak tiada ni bahan ni saya kalau besaran biru kan ni gas kalau mana dia ambil biru kan ni.
Jackie! Turn up. Turn up. What are you doing?
Cleaning your table for you.
So that's it.
Why are you recording? Record your own clip. I don't know what you're yapping.
See you another day. Bye-bye.
Me say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't look at my idol image. Idol image!
You're an idol, ta?
Yeah, I'm a queen.
Okay.
Queen image.
Mm-hmm.
Please don't clip it. I'm looking at you. Please don't clip it.